Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update keyboard driver on Windows 10 or 11. So to update keyboard driver, firstly click on Start, then type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Here you will see a list of devices which are connected with your PC. So here you will see keyboards. Expand it and right click on your keyboard driver. Then click on Update Driver. Select Search Automatically. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple steps we can know how to update keyboard driver.